Hello friends, this is Miss Valerie again. We are still working on Be a Star Writer lesson, and this is video 2. Our standards and our targets that we covered yesterday. Not going to go into those. We always go over those on Monday, so if your parents or family member wants to read those again, they can. So my question today is why is it important to follow writing rules? Well, yesterday we had what the writing rules were. So today we're going to talk about why it's important to follow them. Well, let's think about it. Always start with a capital letter. Well, why do you do that? Well, whenever you start with a capital letter, then you will know where the sentence begins or starts. The next rule was to always use spaces between your word. Well, the reason why you do that is so your words will not run together. And the third rule was always use punctuation. Well, when you use punctuation, you will also know where the sentence ends and also what kind of sentence it is, whether it's a regular sentence or whether it's a sentence that shows feelings or whether it's a question sentence. So, how do you write a sentence? First, let's think of a root word that we will be using. For example, let's use the word lunch. Everybody should know what the word lunch means. Next, let's think of some other words that we can put with our root word. Here we have lunch, what, for, is. Finally, let's unscramble these words to form a sentence. What is for lunch? So you see we have the capital letter at the beginning of our sentence. We have spaces in between our word, and the sentence is a question, so we have a question mark at the end. So, this is my homework assignment to you for today. Say your sentence, count the words that are in your sentence, stretch out the words, and write. And then reread your sentence back to yourself to make sure it sounds correct. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to visit us at Boys and Girls Club of North Central Florida on our Facebook page. See you tomorrow.